Our product is a powerful and portable multi-purpose power bank. It contains a state-of-the-art 300-watt lithium-ion battery pack with an inverter in a simple and durable package. And the battery, it can be charged with a solar panel or with the normal electricity. And as you can see, it can be used for a wide variety of purposes. At the office for a backup power for laptops and lighting. It can be used at a greenhouse in any remote location. At the barber shop, you can use it to create a mobile business, powering the clippers. You can use it on Safari here for lighting, backup power, charging phones for tourists. You can use it at the home to power a TV and a subwoofer and lights. The 300-watt battery it's enough to power all of those at the same time. You can use it for any variety of emergency situations or everyday situations. It can be shared together with your friends, with family, here at the market for charging phones and lights. Karibu.